The first product I'd sell this week is car magnets. They do dye sublimation, they have a smooth finish, doesn't fade, and high color vibrancy. They have a few different options to choose from here. They have a 5x5, a 10x3, and then a 7.5 by 4.5. There's one provider for this magnet and it's based in the USA. Their rating is very high, 9.1. The cost of this is $3.06, but if you pay for Printify Premium, you will save on cost, which I highly recommend. You'll be paying $2.21. The shipping is $4.59. The average production time is just over a day. We will jump over to Etsy now and I'll show you a few examples. So there's a few different routes that you can go with this. You can target businesses like this one you see here, or you can offer personalization like you see here, or you can niche down and do something very specific. So this example here, really cute design. I break for little guys. And if I run my EverBee analytics on this, you'll see that the monthly sales on this is 169, over 100,000 views, conversion rate is 3%, and this listing is 11 months old. I'll click through on this listing. We'll see that their monthly revenue is just over $1,600. Total sales is 3,321, and this specific listing is doing relatively well on Etsy. So in order to win with this product, you have to create something unique that will stand out on the marketplace. So I highly recommend niching down and coming up with something that will stand out for your customers. Once you have created your design and uploaded it to Etsy, be sure you're using targeted keywords for both your title and your tags. You can also use the EverBee plugin for this. If you scroll down here, you will see a list of tags that the seller is using, and then you can select the specific tag, and then you can copy the keyword and then add it and incorporate it into your own title and your tags. But I can't stress how important it is to master SEO, because it doesn't matter how great of a design you're creating. If it's not being found with your SEO, it will never sell. So when it comes to coming up with new ideas for designs or different niches that I want to target, I love to use ChatGPT to quickly brainstorm and come up with ideas that I may not have necessarily thought of on my own. So I'll just show you quickly. I'll go over to ChatGPT and then I will say, generate 20 different ideas or niches for car magnets. And within a matter of seconds, I have 20 different niches that I could possibly target. So we have dog lovers, cat enthusiasts, fishing and anglers, hunting and outdoors, off-road and Jeep enthusiasts. So this is a great idea for targeting off-road vehicles, patriotic and military support, first responders, and so many more. There's a lot of ideas here that I would have never thought of on my own. For example, real estate agents, you could create promotional magnets for them, small business advertising, baby on board, etc. And you can follow this process for any of the products that you create. So get creative, use resources that speeds up the process, and create something unique for your customers. The second product that I'd add to my shop this week are hats. And yes, I talk a lot about hats on my channel, and it's because they do so well. So if we look at Printify, there's a lot of different options to choose from. We have bucket hats, trucker hats. This one does very well, this foam trucker hat. They have these camouflage trucker hats, which are really cool. And there's a few early access products that I want to highlight. So this one right here, this unisex USA made dad hat, could do very well. And it's an early access product, meaning it's newer to Printify, meaning less competition. Another one that I wanted to highlight is this women's washed mesh back cap, and then this class cord cap, frame two-tone cap, and then the last one that I wanted to highlight is right here, the sun washed rope cap. There are so many different great hats to choose from right now on Printify, so go and create some unique designs. I would consider doing embroidery, that does very well on Etsy, as well as consider offering personalization. We'll look at a few examples on Etsy just to get an idea of how they are doing. So this one right here, this is a personalizable hat for bachelorette parties. 180 monthly sales, over 23,000 views. Monthly revenue is 3,500. Total sales is 303. Another one that's doing well is right here is this custom text hat. This looks like one that I showed you on Printify. Over 1,000 monthly sales, close to 300,000 views. The revenue on this is $31,000. And this is for a custom hat, remember. Another one here, 757 monthly sales, 56,000 views. Conversion rate's pretty good. The monthly revenue on this is just over $10,000. And all these ones that are doing well are offering customization. Specifically, it looks like offering custom embroidery. So consider that when you're adding these to your store. You can go any route with this as well by offering personalization, doing something very niche specific like this cute one here with the frogs over a campfire, creating designs for dads, for moms, for grandmas, grandpas, etc. But I'd use ChatGPT or whatever AI you would like and come up with some really great ideas, create those designs, and then add them to your store. The third product that I'd add to my store are these can cooler sleeves. So the method of printing is dye sublimation. It won't fade, smooth finish, high color vibrancy. The print provider is located in the USA, rated very highly, 9.4. The cost of the can cooler sleeves if you're using Printify Premium is $5.82. Shipping is $5.39. Average production time is just over a day. And then the print areas is front side as well as back side. They have one color to choose from as well as one size. We'll now look at some examples on Etsy. Same thing with this, a lot of different routes that you can take this, and this is a perfect time of the year to be selling these can cooler sleeves. So this example here, it's popular right now. Monthly sales is 416, over 200,000 views. Conversion rate is up to 4.5%. The revenue on this is over $1,700. Total sales is 9,600 sales. And with these can cooler sleeves, I highly recommend offering personalization, just because it's so easy to do so now with Printify. It takes out all the back-end work that you used to have to do on Etsy, and it makes it very automated and very easy to do so. And I'll show you what I mean. So we'll go back over to Printify. You'd go choose your product, so these can cooler sleeves, start designing, and then it's as easy as selecting personalize and then creating a template for your personalizable text or your personalizable image. And then after you set this up correctly, it'll be 100% automated. Your customer will be able to add their personalization details, and then that will automatically get sent to Printify, and they will be able to fulfill that order without having to do the back and forth work like you used to have to do. And I have a video on this already on my channel, so go and check that out. And I do want to mention, when running a print-on-demand business, it can be difficult at times to compete with price, just because there's so many other sellers that are doing it in-house, so they have a much more competitive price point. But do not let that scare you away or deter you from selling different products. Yes, it will be hard to compete with the price point, but the way you win is by offering a higher perceived value, higher emotional value, greater trust, and niching down. Create something unique that stands out that a customer can't resist. Because you watched this video, I think you'll like this one. Click right here and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.